Hello, viewers, hello, subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is IT Smart. I'm glad to have you all back. So, if it's your first time viewing, you can hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any content. So, yeah, like I said earlier, I'll be taking you through tutorials on how to enhance your computer skills. So, let's just dive into that issue. Today, we're going to look at Gmail. Yeah, what's a Gmail? A Gmail is like an email. It's like an email, just like an email address. Yeah, that's how a Gmail is. So I guess most of us have interacted with Gmail before, and yeah, we're going to learn more and more about the Gmail account. So I'm going to open my Chrome. I'm going to get it from my Chrome. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. Yeah. So let's open our Chrome. From Chrome, I can get any account. Here's my number here. Can go to add account. So you see from add account, they give you whether you choose email or phone. Forgot email, but for this case, we are creating just a fresh start. We're just creating an email account. So come and press on create. So it brings you drop down keys, whether for personal use, for my child, for work or business. Different PCs, different phones have different what reasons that they bring about. So for this case, I'm going to choose for personal use. So you can choose any first name that you want. There is Zoe, then Nacha, then you choose next. You can give any month, as in the day, the 2014. You can even select the gender. Yeah, so like I was saying, you can select here the gender, can get a female. Let me go next. You click on next. Yeah, so here, Gmail address, it gives you options of how the format of your email can look like. It just gives you suggestions. Like here, they're giving me 2 suggestions, but you can also create your own Gmail suggestion if these ones are not friendly to you. So for my case, I can take this. Yeah, go to next. So for next, you have to confirm with a password. I think when you're using a password, you have to have like 8 characters, I guess. Yeah, so let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it's going through. Oh, yeah. So finally, the passwords have gone through. You have to have at least 8 characters to log in. So here there is an option of phone number. Phone number. So different countries have different codes. What Uganda has +256. Afghanistan +93. You can see, you can browse through, and then yeah. So you click on. So after typing in you can type in any phone number that you want, and I guess from these steps you can be guided very well, since this is a computer class, and yes, it's open to everyone. I guess you guys can pull through from here. So let's go back. So that is all about just a brief recap of how to create an account. Gmail accounts. You can access a Gmail account from different from your phone number. No, sorry, from your mobile phones, from your computers, from your tablets, through you create them. You can access them through configuring Google Clients. Google Clients, for example, Microsoft Outlook or Apple Mail. Those are Google. Those are email accounts. I mean email clients. Sorry. So you can access Gmail through those what email email clients. So let's get back to my email. Let me see. Um, actually, let me do it. We have to go back to our original account. You can even sign out and everything. Okay, let's wait here and see. So we come here back and what? logging in back to our Gmail. So actually right now you can see this is my Gmail account. It's showing different things like inbox, start messages, news, sent. At times when you're sending messages through Gmail, some of them are not sent. They are queued. I guess you guys can know what queued means. Queued. So what we should always do in order to make sure that our document is being sent, we keep refreshing because at times network has problems. Yes? So you can assume that you've sent a document yet it is queued and you have to refresh. So yeah, that's what I can say. Let me see a quick so when we are sending an email to someone, there is this option of compose. Composing email, you compose to, you type the email address that you want to send to, there is, okay, let me use this other different one. Let me see. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so there is this email I've already got. I'm sending to this email. Subject are you at times if you're sending, let me say, to a lecturer, to your teacher, to your tutor, you have to be formal. Those guys want formal things. You can say good very written here. You can say, good morning, sir, good morning, oh, madam. Yeah, that stuff. So, right over here, what I've clicked, this is the body. So, through the body, you can type anything. Good afternoon, sir. This is an attachment and everything. So, through the body, you can attach files. As you can see, this is attach files. So, from attach files, you go directly to uh, the location where I saved files. You can go to documents. I'm seeing here documents. Okay, if I want to attach aromatic chemistry, those of you who have phones, phones have a smaller view. So what you do is copy and paste. I mean, it's copy and attach. But then if you're using a PC like I'm doing, you can just drag this file. Sorry, not like this. I'm really sorry about this. Say, as I say, I think you can just drag the PDF and drop it over there. You can check it's already dropped on your body. So with Gmail you can explore many things. Even this text, you can make it to look appealing. Sorry, I have to first remove this. You can make the text to look appealing by changing the font color. You can underline, you can you it has different things that you can do. Okay, here you see it has bold, it has italicized, underline. Yeah, even the color, you can change the color however much you want it to look so appealing. So yeah, I guess you guys have learned something over here. You guys have learned how to bold, italicize, attach files. Oh, and there is one important thing called signature. At times some lecturers want signatures, so you press manage signature. You have to explore. So you see in signatures there are a lot of things you have to check out and everything. So there is this option down here for, you can say, create a new signature. You can put any signature name that you want. And this signature name can be customized like for everything, such that whenever you press insert, that signature just comes all of a sudden. Just know you're seeing what I'm doing. Yeah, you can say insert signature before quoted text, or yeah, all that stuff. Anyway, I guess that's it for today. I've been a little fast, but uh, I know next time we shall continue from where we stopped. Oh, there are emojis over here like WhatsApp. Yeah, you can insert an emoji. Yeah, mostly when you're talking with your friends. Yeah, but when you're being formal, you're submitting work, I don't think emojis are necessary because that's already a turn off for your marks and everything. So yeah, thank you so much, viewers, for having giving me this wonderful audience today. I hope you've learned something. And those of you who want to give me feedback as well, you can still hit the comment section and I'll be very, very available for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Yes. because that's where we're going to all learn everything from. All right. Yeah. See you all. Hope you've learned something. Ciao.